Hello to all the precious people all over the world. Welcome back to our channel, Precious Cats of Mama Peace. Today's video is the first outdoor walk of our male calico named Pound. He's not afraid. Pound is not afraid. Pound is babe. Huh? Pound is babe. Atita, Papa is babe. Papa is babe. Hi, Papa. Asa ikaw? Ano dia, Papa? Dirty, Papa, dirty. Dirty nga, dirty. Hacing. Hi, Papa. Asa ikaw? Suy ikaw, Papa? Huh? Suy, Papa. Yun na. Hudaw na, Papa. Hudaw. Atada. Hi, Papa. Hi, Papa. Hi. Handok ikaw, bata. Handok ikaw. Handok siya. Ayaw handok, Papa. Ayaw handok. Hindi mo nalabot, Papa. Hikap naman na. Hikap naman na. Handok siya. Hikap na. Ayaw. Ipasimot ay mong tudlo. Para kaila siya. Ana dong, oh. Ana, oh. Na. Handok ikaw, Papa. Afaf. Okay, Papa. Boy naman na. Ayay. Oh, dapo Papon. Brave Papon, papalala, no? Brave Papon na Pound. Asus. Hachit. Chaman. Ha? Kamu siya nadlok sa iro. Hadlok lang niya gunitan sa bata. Hachit. Diyan siya ikaw. What? Ito katabian. Diyan. Wala, oy. Suruy lang na, Papa. Suruy, Papa. Diyan. Surita. Tam. Diyan. What, Papa? Ayaw na pagkaon. Bad na. No. Trying to eat some particles on the street. No, Papa. Do not eat that one. Pound. You're going inside? Going inside the garden? Pound. Hi, Papa. Hi. Pound? Pound. Hi. Where are you going? Papa? What's that you're smelling? That's his tail. Papa. So all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. That is the first outdoor walk of Pound. This is Pam. You say thank you. Thank you for watching my first outdoor walk video. Thank you for subscribing, adding up to our 933 subscribers. Thank you, everyone. This is Pound.